Welcome ladies and gentlemen, it's Iceblade here with another YouTube video. Today we're doing something weird, seeing that this is mostly technology and sort of like Iceblade hobby channel. It's to do with moisture. Now, I had this issue in the room I do my brewing in, and that room is adjacent to our washing room, and it seemed like some moisture seeped through the wall, and also when I'm doing my brewing, it's like the steam goes into the atmosphere or inside the room, and on the opposite end of that I had my tools, so I picked up some rust on that. So also in my PC room I also had that issue where my PC is very close to a window and I have to keep it open because there's not enough ventilation in my room, otherwise I get some heat issues. So then it was basically rain causing also dampness. Moisture could be caused by many things, even dampness from underneath your house, pipes, leaking pipes, anything. But I had this issue, so it immediately affected my PC environment and also where I did my DIY and brewing. So I did some extensive research like I normally do when I buy something, and I found a product. I'm not going to go into brands, they actually do the same, it's similar builds, it's like a copy of each other, and it's a moisture absorber. It basically looks like this. It's a sort of like a oddly shaped container. But in this container, I'll take a close-up picture, it has like moisture absorbing balls, and at the bottom it's left open. So you have these balls on the top and then there's an open space at the bottom, and it's covered by a foil. So you take off the plastic, you remove this purple thing. Okay, so the purple is just basically you get different aromas. This one is a lavender. I think there's 3 different ones, a plain, a lavender, and then there's a blue one as well, and a green one, pine. And then there's a foil inside. You remove the foil, you put back the purple grid, and you place it in an area where you have a moisture problem. Some people at the seaside, I see they do it in their cupboards, but I placed one of these near my PC and then the other one was in my brewing room. Now, this thing worked so amazing. I'm going to show you the one I had in the brewing room. Also going to do a close-up for you because this is weird. So all the balls are gone. As you can see, there's no more balls in there. But the whole bottom section looks like someone poured water in there. And there was no water pouring. This thing is completely, see the grid just comes off. And then that is material, has that foil over it, so if you take it off you're left with that material, and then there's no more balls, and this is after 45 days, because they say this product basically goes for 45 days. I'll just leave it until it's finished in any way. But that was moisture in the air. That it looks like, it's crazy. I don't know how much that is. I'm going to open it up after this video and pour it out. You just see how much liquid or moisture I have in here. I see there's actually 1 ball left. There's 1 ball left in here. The rest is all gone, and it's completely, the bottom layer is completely liquid. So it's amazing. This is seriously amazing. It's the moisture absorber. This one is from Essence. It's also a company that makes fragrances for your house. This one is Mystify. They're basically exactly the same, as you can see. The back, the shape, the top, it's basically the same thing. Does the same thing. It's really amazing product. Okay, so here we have the close-up. Just going to, like you can see, that is just full of liquid, and then they basically start off like that. There's nothing in there, no liquid whatsoever, and it's just those white balls. So it traps the moisture in there, and then like you can hear, it's just full of liquid or moisture that it captures. Okay guys, so I thought I'll just do this on camera. So we can see what we captured, or how much we captured. So there we have our measuring jug. Okay, there's actually more than one ball that was left there. But that is 400 milliliters of liquid. Okay, there's actually more left still. Or that could just be the flavor parts, because they seem rubbery. Does still smell nice. So it's just a separation in there with the purple ones that's left. I think that should be the lavender flavoring. So maybe all the balls are gone. I don't see something else similar. It's just those purple things. So 400 milliliters of liquid captured by the moisture absorber. I think that's great. I think that is a product worth mentioning, and it actually does what it says. So if you need something like that, like I said, it's a dehumidifier, interior dehumidifier, moisture absorber. Yes, it's great. It works. I love it. So if you have some moisture problems somewhere, I'm using one close to my PC and then one in the room I do my brewing in, and this stuff really works. So if anybody out there has some moisture problems in rooms or cupboards, clothes get damp or something like that, it should possibly work in a bathroom, but in a bathroom you always have moisture, so it's part of the package, so I don't think you should put it there though. But I mean, in any other room that you have a moisture problem, or you need a product like this, this really works. So you can give it a try. If there's anything else that you would like me to say about this, ask me in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, leave a like if you found this helpful, and see you in the next video. Thank you guys.